Have you heard some COVID-19 patients have developed symptoms similar to autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis after recovery? Yes, that's right. Hello, I'm Dr. N.G. Jacob, consultant pathologist from Metropolis Healthcare, and today I'm going to highlight ANA testing and autoimmune diseases and its diagnosis. Before we proceed, do you remember the period just after the peak of COVID-19 when people were discovering various new symptoms after surviving the disease? During this time, ANA testing became important for diagnosing post-COVID autoimmune conditions as many patients developed symptoms similar to autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune disorders are conditions in which the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues and organs. In simple words, the body loses its ability to distinguish between foreign invaders and the body's own cells, leading to inflammation and damage. Now let's look at the types of autoimmune disorders. Systemic lupus erythematosus, type 1 diabetes, scleroderma, but the most common is rheumatoid arthritis, which targets the joints, leading to pain, swelling, and potential joint damage. Rheumatoid arthritis occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks the synovium, which is the lining of the membranes that surround the joints, leading to inflammation. If you or someone in your family has rheumatoid arthritis, the symptoms can vary. These may include joint pain and swelling, particularly in the hands, wrists, and knees, persistent tiredness and lack of energy, and reduced desire to eat, sometimes even leading to weight loss. But don't worry, if you have any of these symptoms, all you have to do is check and start your treatment. We at Metropolis Healthcare provide you with the best-in-class healthcare services at your fingertips. Timely diagnosis is crucial, which is why we offer a wide range of ANA testing facilities to detect the presence of these antibodies in your body. ANA testing is important in the detection of a range of antibodies against cell organelles. Best part is that it is cost-effective and easy to perform. There are a series of tests that can be done to diagnose rheumatoid arthritis. Don't let your life be dull. Take command of your health and we will have your back. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us or visit our website for more information. Stay healthy with Metropolis Healthcare. Thank you.